Hello, my name is David Sanchez, and I will be teaching the Machine Learning Model Assessment course for Experify. I have 15 years of experience in industry software development and statistics. I've worked in a variety of industries including healthcare and health insurance, higher learning, real estate and finance, and communications. I'm currently a consultant. I work with various clients creating machine learning applications as well as consulting on data infrastructures. I have hands-on work experience with Python, R, cloud technologies such as AWS, Redshift, NoSQL technologies such as MongoDB and Elasticsearch, and I'm skilled at visualization technologies such as D3.js and Matplotlib, among others. I have a master's degree in computer science from California State University, Fullerton, with an emphasis in bioinformatics and machine learning. So the topics we will be covering in this course are a general overview, which includes learning the difference between bias and variance, as well as reiterating the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. We will also cover different validation methods for training supervised learning models, including k-fold cross-validation, leave one out cross-validation, 5x2 cross-validation, and bootstrapping. You will also learn how to assess different unsupervised learning models, such as k-means clustering and LDA, latent Dirichlet allocation models. And then we will end the course on demonstrating how to assess supervised learning models such as regression models. We will do things such as the prediction accuracies, create confusion matrices, and generate receiver operator characteristic curves, or ROC curves. Before taking this course, you should be familiar with generating your own models using supervised and unsupervised learning methods. This includes the generation of regression models. The examples in this course utilize Python 3, so the student should be familiar with Python. If they are not familiar with Python, they should be able to translate the code in the demonstrations to a language of their choice. In these demonstrations, we will be generating supervised and unsupervised learning models. We will generate measurements about their models, and we will also create visualizations. So you should be familiar with how to do that in the language of your choice. There is some math involved in this course. However, I will walk you through the equations that are involved. And whenever possible, I will show you Python packages used to generate calculations for the equations involved. So what you will get from this course are you will know the terms and goals of model assessment. You will determine which models based on unsupervised learning will give you usable insight. You will understand how to choose the best model for your purposes when choosing different regression models with a different number of parameters, and you will be able to compare different types of models based on supervised learning and determine which one best fits your needs given the metrics you will learn in this course.